Hello everyone. In this video, I am discussing about similarity of triangles and criteria for similarity of triangles. So we can see two triangles are similar. Two triangles are similar if number one, their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding angles are equal. Second, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now, this is the theoretical part. I will explain you with the help of figure. Here, I have drawn one triangle and this is another triangle which is not of the same size, but they are similar. Now, this is A. Why they are similar? This is A, B, C, and this I have taken D, E, F. Here, angle A is equal to angle D. Whatsoever is the measurement of angle A, same is the measurement of angle D. Whatsoever is the measurement of angle B, same is the measurement of angle E. And whatsoever is the measurement of angle C, same is the measurement of angle F. Means the corresponding angles are equal here. So we can say that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, comma, angle B is equal to angle E. Then angle C is equal to angle F. So corresponding angles are equal. Then corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So AB and the corresponding side is DE. So AB upon DE is equal to, this is BC and the corresponding side of BC is EF, and it is equal to CA and the corresponding side of CA is FD. So when these two conditions are satisfied, so we will say that triangle ABC is similar to, therefore triangle ABC will be similar to, this is the sign of similarity, triangle DEF. So both the triangles will be similar. Now we are going to talk about the criteria for similarity of triangles. The first criteria is A, angle similarity criteria. AAA सिमिलैरिटी क्राइटेरिया. अब ये एंगल सिमिलैरिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द सेम. सो इफ इन टू ट्राइंगल्स, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides, corresponding sides are in the same ratio, are in the same ratio or proportion. Sometimes in place of ratio the word proportion is also written. In the same ratio, then triangles are similar. And by which criteria? By AAA similarity criteria. Then both the triangles are similar, and this criteria is called as AAA similarity criteria. So we can show the two figures like see triangles. This is one triangle and this is another triangle. The name of one triangle is A, B, C, and the name of the other triangle we can take D, E, F. So as per AA similarity criteria, AB upon DE will be equal to BC upon EF will be equal to CA upon FD. So if two angles AAA, this AAA similarity criteria is also called AA similarity criteria. What is the reason for the same? AA similarity criteria. Suppose two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of other triangle. Like I have drawn the two triangles. This is one triangle and this is another triangle. This is A, B, C, and this is triangle D, E, F. Suppose angle A is equal to angle D and angle B is equal to angle E. Then angle C will automatically be equal to angle F by angle sum property of triangle. So this AAA similarity criteria can also be called as AA similarity criteria, right? So next criteria is side similarity criteria. Side similarity criteria. So as per side similarity criteria, we write if in two triangles, comma, sides of one triangle are proportional. Proportional means in the same ratio, are proportional to the sides of other triangle. Then their corresponding angles are equal. Then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence two triangles are similar, and hence two triangles are similar. So for SSS similarity criteria, sides of one corresponding triangle are proportional to the sides of other corresponding triangle, then the corresponding angles will be equal. So in this case, both the triangles will be similar. Now, here I am showing it by figure also. This is one triangle. Let it be A, B, C. And there is another triangle, suppose small triangle. This is D, E, F. So as per SSS similarity criteria, AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to CA upon FD. So in this case, angle A will be equal to angle D, angle B will be equal to angle E, and angle C will be equal to angle F. Now, the next criteria is SAS, side angle side similarity criteria. Side angle side similarity criteria. So as per side angle side similarity criteria, if one angle of a triangle, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle, one angle of the other triangle, and sides including these angles are proportional, and sides including these angles are proportional, or you can say in the same ratio, comma, then the two triangles are similar. Then the two triangles are similar. Like I am showing here two triangles. This is one triangle. Let it be A, B, C. And then I am showing another triangle. Let it be D, E, F. Now, if AB upon DE, AB upon DE is equal to this AC upon DF, AC upon DF, and angle A is equal to angle D. So by side angle side similarity criteria, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle DEF. So we can write by SAS similarity criteria, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So these were the three similarity criteria. One is AAA similarity criteria. So according to AA similarity criteria, in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, means angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. Then both the triangles are similar by AAA similarity criteria. And AAA similarity criteria is also named as AA similarity criteria. Like two triangles are given, and if you show that angle A is equal to angle D and angle B is equal to angle E, then just by having these two conditions, you can write that triangle ABC will be similar to triangle DEF. How? Because if in two triangles, two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of the other triangle, then by angle sum property, the third angle will automatically be equal. Then it was side similarity criteria. Means if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, corresponding angles will be itself equal. Means AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to CA upon FD. So by SSS similarity criteria, both the triangles will be similar. Now last is SAS similarity criteria. If one angle of a triangle, like this one angle of a triangle is equal to the another angle of the triangle, एंड साइड्स इंक्लूडिंग दीज एंगल, इस एंगल को कौन सी साइड इंक्लूड कर रही हैं? एक तो ये यानी ए बी अपॉन डीई, देन ए सी अपॉन डी एफ. So they will be equal, means in the same ratio, and included angle A is equal to angle D. So in this case, by SAS similarity criteria, both the triangles will be similar. So this was all about similarity of triangles and criteria for similarity of triangles. Hope I have explained the similarity and similarity criteria in the best possible way, and you have understood too. Express your views in the comment section, like the video. Thank you.